a reference for space enthusiasts and meme creators alike. Fans on X and Reddit shared gifs of Matt Damon's character with captions like, "When life gives you Mars, science the heck out of it." The phrase, "I'm going to have to science the SH*T out of this," became a viral catchphrase, inspiring t-shirts, mugs, and even motivational posters. The movie's mix of humor and heart made a favorite for fan edits, with YouTubers creating montages set to disco tracks or parodying the NASA scenes. Even today, in 2025, The Martian pops up in discussions about the best sci-fi films, holding its own against classics like Interstellar and Gravity. For your video, you could toss in a line like, "Join the millions of fans who made The Martian a cultural phenomenon. Check out the memes after you watch." Now, let's sprinkle in some more trivia to keep your audience hooked. Did you know that Ridley Scott shot The Martian in just 72 days, a super tight schedule for a film of this scale? That's a testament to his experience and the crew's efficiency. Another fun fact, the film's Martian soil was created using real dirt from Jordan's Wadi Rum, mixed with red food coloring to get that perfect rusty hue. The cast also went through astronaut training to prep for their roles, including learning how to move in heavy spacesuits and studying NASA protocols. Matt Damon even consulted with real astronauts to nail his character's mindset, which is why performance feels so authentic. And here's a quirky one. The film's fictional Ares 3 mission is named after the Greek god of war, a nod to Mars' mythological roots. The technical side of The Martian is worth geeking out over, too. The sound design, which earned Oscar nominations for Best Sound Editing and Best Sound Mixing, is a standout. From the eerie whistle of Martian winds to the hum of spacecraft systems, every sound pulls you into the story. The sound team used real NASA recordings of rovers and spacecraft to create an authentic vibe, while the music, both Harry Gregson Williams' score and the disco hits, adds emotional depth. The editing, handled by Pietro Scalia, keeps the film's 141-minute runtime feeling brisk, weaving between intense solo scenes and bustling NASA sequences without missing a beat. If you're a film buff, you'll appreciate how every technical element, cinematography, sound editing, works in harmony to create a seamless experience. Let's touch on the film's global appeal one more time, because The Martian wasn't just a hit in the US. It was a phenomenon in countries like South Korea, $30.5 million at the box office, Japan, $23.3 million, and Russia, $20.1 million. The story's universal themes, survival, ingenuity, hope, transcended language barriers, and a diverse cast help audiences worldwide connect with the characters. The film's release in China was especially notable, as it coincided with the country's growing interest in space exploration. The Chinese Space Agency even praised the film for showing international cooperation, which mirrored real-world efforts like the International Space Station. This global resonance makes The Martian a great pick for viewers everywhere, no matter where they're tuning in from. For those who love diving into the nitty-gritty, the film's scientific liberties are worth a quick revisit. While The Martian gets a lot right, some details are tweaked for drama. For example, Mars' low air pressure means dust storms wouldn't be as violent as shown, but they sure look epic on screen. The film also simplifies the logistics of growing food in space. Real Martian soil would need serious processing to support crops. But these minor stretches don't detract from the film's charm. As Neil deGrasse Tyson tweeted back in 2015, The Martian is what happens when you take science seriously but not too seriously. That balance is key to its appeal, making it both a brainy thrill ride and a fun popcorn flick. If you're planning to watch The Martian in 2025, you've got plenty of options. It's available on streaming platforms like Disney+, Hulu, and Amazon Prime. Check availability in your region. And the physical releases, DVD, Blu-ray, and 4K Ultra HD, are packed with extras. The extended cut is a must for fans, adding depth to the characters and world. You can also pair your viewing with Andy Weir's novel for a deeper dive into the story's science and humor. And if you're feeling extra nerdy, check out NASA's website for updates on real Mars missions, like the Perseverance rover, which is still exploring the Red Planet as of June 2025. So, why should you watch The Martian? It's a film that fires on all cylinders, a gripping story, a charismatic lead, a visionary director, and a vibe that's equal parts thrilling, funny, and inspiring. It's a reminder that humanity's greatest strength is our ability to solve problems, stay hopeful, and groove to some disco while we're at it. Whether you're watching for the stunning visuals, the brainy science, or the heartwarming message, The Martian delivers an experience that sticks with you long after the credits roll. It's a movie that makes you proud to be human and curious about the stars.